guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we're going to be doing my Mail Haul Monday series slash PR haul slash today we're really talking about so many new products at Sephora. This is honestly more like a what's new at Sephora type video. I have so many awesome brands, you guys, that send me products to try out, and most of them are on like the new arrivals at Sephora. So since the sale's going on, today's the last day of the sale, I wanted to go ahead and get this up for you guys so you can check it out and everything like that. So before we get started, y'all know the drill. If you're new, I would love if you stick around and subscribe. I post 3 days a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And I'm sure you guys know by now to ring the bell if you want to be alarmed for my videos. Okay, let's go ahead and dive in because I'm really excited. Now, before we dive into the makeup, I do want to unbox the first package, which was actually sent to me through Scentbird. They are sponsoring today's video. And I know you guys are probably shopping the Sephora sale. And what I used to do at the Sephora sale was always splurge on a big thing of perfume until I learned about Scentbird. So if you guys haven't heard of Scentbird, they're basically a monthly subscription service, and they used to be really known for only perfume, but now they've even branched out and they do cosmetics, skincare, and all kinds of different things. If you're thinking about splurging on perfume, save your money, buy you some makeup at the Sephora sale, and use your money to buy Scentbird because you get to try so many different fragrances. They literally have over 600 different brands and even designer brands like Gucci, Prada, Tom Ford. I've gotten so many different perfume samples from them, and I love it because first off, here's what the little thing looks like whenever you get it. The really neat thing about Scentbird too is you do actually get this little case that your perfume comes with. You get to pick the color that you want, and all you do is you twist it up and you have the perfume. You can go ahead and spray it on. Oh my gosh, this scent smells so good. And it's like a little perfume vial, and you actually get a lot of uses out of this. So this one that they sent me is by Rosie Jane, and it's Lila Lou, I believe is how you pronounce it. I'll put the name of it down below. They are also letting me have a 30% discount code, which I will leave below as well on your first order. And then the next one they sent over came in this little white container, and this came in the white one, and this one is the Kenneth Cole Serenity. So let me spray this. That one smells good as well. And another thing that's really good about these is they're perfect size to travel with. So I love taking these with me on vacation so I don't have to like lug a big bottle of perfume. And like I said, they are also doing like skincare and makeup products. I'll leave all their information down below because they offer so much. But they also sent over this amazing cosmetics luminizer. So they do, I believe, carry this brand then. Ooh, this looks pretty. I will have to try this out. And then they also sent over these two products. I believe you pronounce the name Kopari. This is the coconut cleansing oil and the coconut face cream. So I will definitely try these out. And again, I will leave a link down below so you can check out Scentbird. You can get the coupon code and save your money for the subscription instead of splurging on a big bottle. Scentbird's whole like slogan and theme is date perfumes before you marry them. So don't get the wrong choice. Try some samples before you splurge on a bottle. Okay, let's dive into the rest of the makeup. And thank you, Scentbird, again for sponsoring today's video. So like I mentioned, today's video, there's literally so many new Sephora products. The first thing is from Natasha Denona, and this is the Biba palette. I actually had this in my cart ready to go for the Sephora sale, and they sent it to me literally like the day before the sale went live, and I'm so excited. I always love how she does like a makeup photo shoot and puts it in the box so you can kind of see it used on the eyes. And I think this is such a good everyday palette too. So it has the words all neutral on the front, and it comes in this almost, you guys, this palette is literally so beautiful. Again, I do believe that you would get a lot of use of this day and nighttime, truly. So let's go ahead. I'm honestly going to swatch all of the shades. I literally had to pause this and post on Instagram because I was so excited. Again, here's what it looks like. Okay, we're going to swatch all of the colors because, I mean, they are beautiful. And again, these are such good neutrals. Oh my goodness, this shade Freckle is like life. Okay, then I'm going to get this on my thumb. I don't know how this is going to work out. I'm really not a good thumb swatcher, but I mean, the pigmentation on these, it always just blows my mind. at how beautiful her shadows are. And I feel like, you know, not that her matte formula was ever bad. Look at that. So pretty. And again, I don't even think this is doing this one justice because I'm not a good thumb swatcher. So let me like just redo that one swatch really quick and get a little bit more on my hands. I feel like Natasha just used to be known a lot for her shimmer shades, but she has just really did a bomb job with her matte shades too. Here's this one so you guys can see it more. There we go. Super, super pretty. Very good everyday shades too. That's what I'm most excited about. I love a good neutral everyday palette. She also, oh my gosh, she just released a photo of her new palette, like the Bloom, I cannot remember, Blush and Bloom palette, and it's like a tan one with bronzers and highlights. It looks real nice. I'm actually wearing the Blush and Bloom one on my eyes as my lid shade today. Okay, let's watch the next row. And if you guys want a tutorial, yes ma'am, on this palette, then just let me know down below. I think I'm overdue a lot for a trying on makeup video. It's been a while since I've done that. Look how gorgeous these are. I think what I should probably do is take all the products that I'm showing y'all today, since they're so new, and do a video with them, trying them all on. I think that would be a good idea. Okay, there's the last shade. So this is the second row. Again, such great colors. And I do actually love how there's quite a bit of mattes in this palette. Okay, last row. So buttery. I mean, I just can't get over how good the mattes are. Especially, oh, that last one was real creamy. Okay, there are those. It's really good to do a smoky eye too with this palette. I keep finding more uses. I'm like, it's so great for daytime. It's so great for evening. It's so great for nighttime. It's good to go to the club. It's great to use if you're going to go grocery shopping. I mean, it's awesome. And then last shade is Tusk, which is like a really pretty, again, neutral shade. Oh, so gorgeous. Thank you so much to Natasha Denona and the Natasha Denona team. I'm so excited to try out this beautiful palette. Thank y'all so much. I'm forever grateful. All right, so there's that. Okay, what do we have next? Oh, okay, next is from Huda Beauty. And y'all, I have been seeing some rave reviews about what I think is in this package. Not Your Mama's Pantyhose. All over body highlighter, intense shine, blurring effect, water resistant, and transfer resistant. Oh my gosh, this is like perfect for the pool so we can get rid of my cellulite. That way you can't see it. Okay, so here's what it looks like, and it says seamless and long lasting. And this is so funny. I love this. On the back, it says, so it has like the scale chart like that you use when you get pantyhose, and it says weight and height, and it says perfect for all sizes. Love that. Okay, so let's open this bad boy. I'm excited to see what the hype is about. I mean, I know I love it. Like, oh, these are really pretty, you guys. I've been seeing people post them, but I just don't think that, oh my gosh. That could have been real bad. Whew. Can you see the shimmer in this? Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Okay, she also released, I'm going to take a picture of this too. So the first shade is Luna. This one looks like it's going to be a really pretty like light pink shade. You have to do quite a few pumps just to get it out for the first time. Okay. And this is a lot. So this is, how many ounces are we? Well, it's 1.85 fluid ounces. I feel like it looks like way more than that. So here's what this looks like. Let's start rubbing it in. And I'm just going to rub it down the arm to just see what it looks like. Really pretty glow. I don't know if y'all can see the shimmer in my hand, but really, really pretty. Okay, I'm going to wipe this off. We're going to do the next level, which is Aphrodite. Get all these paper towels everywhere. Okay, Aphrodite. Whew, thank goodness I didn't break this. Whew. Okay, this one is looking much more bronze. I want to do this on my arm and just like see how it looks. Oh yeah. I mean, it gives you a really good glow. And it does look smoothing. It definitely kind of like, it didn't hide my freckles, but it made them like less noticeable. So there's that. I mean, yeah, you can definitely see the unevenness of my tan, but. And then last one I'm gonna put on my hand because I have a feeling it's gonna be pretty dang bronze. Okay, last one is called Aurora. Oh yes, I feel like this would be beautiful on dark skin. Okay, let's like really rub this in and see what we're looking at. It's a really nice, it blends into the skin. Like even though that went on, it looked pretty dark. It just really looks like it's giving me a nice tan. Really pretty. Now, I don't know how much these retail for. As always, the links will be listed below in the description bar if y'all want to check any of these out. I believe these are available now. Just trying to wipe off my hands and everything. But it's awesome that it's waterproof, because for me, I'm like, okay, that means I could wear it by the pool and it's not going to get everywhere. Okay, there's also this little, ooh, this is beautiful. This Body Blur and Glow brush. Oh, it's so freaking soft. This would be so good to contour with too. Really soft. So this is also available at Sephora if you guys want to check it out. Thank you again to Huda Beauty and the Huda Beauty team for sending this over. I cannot wait to lather my body in it. Thank y'all so much. I'm just going to put this like right behind me, so don't mind it as I'm moving around. Okay, next thing we have came from Drunk Elephant, and they restocked me. So grateful for this, because y'all know how much I love Drunk Elephant. And y'all know when I run out of products, like that means that I'm really using them, because it takes a lot. I have like a lot of products to try. I do try a lot of products, and I'm so grateful for PR that I receive. But you guys know, like when I run out of stuff, it's because I absolutely love it. So they sent over the Protini, the Lala Retro, and then the C Tango and the Shaba Complex Eye Serum. So these are two really good eye treatments that I like using, like eye creams, and then these are like my moisturizers. So again, thank you to Drunk Elephant for that package. They also sent over another one. Ugh, let me pull it out. Okay, next thing from Drunk Elephant. Let me pull this out. Okay, this is their new Get Even kit, and I love a vault. I love a value set. So this is a $100 set right here, and you have so many awesome products, and these are so good to travel with too. Okay, so you have the night serum, the day serum, the retinoid cream, the Protini, and then also the sunscreen. Awesome travel set. So great, especially if you want to try out Drunk Elephant products. Definitely recommend picking this one up because it has like a lot of favorites in it. Thank you to Drunk Elephant for that package as well. Okay, we have a package from Becca Cosmetics, and they just released 2 new products, and it says Becca Skin Love, and let's see what we have here. Okay, so we have the Becca Skin Love Brighten and Blur Primer. Let's see what this is all about. So the packaging's super cute. It has like an ombre of like white into teal. Okay, you twist it up, so it's almost like, it's not like a pump or anything. You just squirt it out, and let's see what this looks like. Ooh. So to me, it looks like it's a mix of something that's going to fill in your pores. Okay, I'm trying to like take this like... Okay, so to me, it kind of looks like a mix of like something that would really fill in your fine lines and wrinkles. It's got that consistency to it. So it's definitely blurring, but it also looks like it has a infused, it says infused with Glow Nectar Brightening Hydra Complex. So it definitely looks like it's going to brighten the skin. Dries down super fast. Ooh, I'm excited. And oh my gosh, it literally smells so good. And then the next thing we have is the Glow Shield Prime and Set Mist. Ooh, this looks nice. Okay, so here's what it looks like, and let's try it out. Oh, it's like an ultra fine mist. Smells really good. So go spray this on yourself. Go to Sephora, check it out. Thank you so much to Becca. I cannot wait to use these. I'm like trying to put everything in front of me so I can film a get ready with me. Or like, okay, I think I just inhaled some of that. It smells wonderful. I don't think I should be tasting it. Ooh, okay. So very last package, it came from Milk Makeup. This is the Kush Vault, and it has a ton of different products in here from Milk. Hold on, I'm gonna keep this top so I can show it to you. So here's what it looks like. And I had this little vape thing right here. It had like CBD oil in it. Okay, so we have the new Kush. I'm gonna be reading this, so don't mind me. This is the Kush Lash Primer. And it says, high volume lash primer with thickening heart-shaped fibers and weightless white formula for extra high lashes. $24. Then we have the Kush Waterproof Mascara, which I definitely want to try this out. Since I have like the lash extensions, I want to try out using waterproof for underneath my eyelashes. Not underneath them, but for my lower lashes. That way when I'm in the pool in the summertime, I can have luscious long lower lashes. So this says high volume mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers, pure pigments, and film formers for a flake-free, transfer-proof, intense black finish. I was like, what does it mean by heart-shaped fibers? They don't look heart-shaped. I don't know. I'm excited to try this. I will let y'all know. But seriously, these are like heavy duty. They're like super heavy. Then we have the Kush Fiber Brow Gel. This comes in a couple different colors. And I love this. Oh my gosh, that's what I need to get. I need to get another one of these at the sale. They have the Hydro, the Dutch, and the Dub. So these are like the 3 new shades that came out. Then we have a lip glaze. This is a Kush lip glaze. It says high shine non-sticky liquid mask with natural butters. Okay, sorry, my nose itch. With natural butters and oils to soften lips instantly. Gluten-free. And then we have these Kush lip balms. And it says hydrating and soothing lip balm. So we have this shade, which is Plush Berry. It's like a really pretty deep berry shade. What else shades do we have? Okay. We have Nug, which is a like orangey nude shade. We have, oh, a green one. Green Dragon. Ooh, it smells like mint. And then we have Bubble, which is like a really pretty red. And then lastly, oh, this is my shade. We have this beautiful Sanatonic, and it's like a nude shade. So thank you so much to Milk Makeup. Oh, you guys, I forgot to put this in my video for Sephora. Try their gripping primer. I actually really like it. I have been using it. I think they come out with such like innovative and like just new products that you don't really see on the market. So really excited for Milk Makeup as a brand. And thank you to each and every brand who sent me packages for this video. I'm so excited because I feel like these are like so many new releases that just came out in the market. So I was really excited to film this mail haul for y'all as always. But I love you. I hope that you have an amazing week. What are you going to like splurge on last minute at the sale? Let me know. I'm sure I'm going to be placing a couple more orders tonight. But I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.